This is a quick video of one of the cleanest 97 Gary Fisher Mambas you're going to come across. This is a medium frame finished in matte titanium gray. As you can see, it's still got its original RockShox Quadra 5. Those are Wyman rims. Designed and built in the USA, in California. And the seat's original. It's got the SRAM SRT 400i grip shift, 21 speed. The Shimano A system derailleurs. Can't remember if that was short for Alivio or Altus. I really can't remember. But yeah, this is it. 97 Gary Fisher Mamba. Sold from Bungay's bike shop, well-known bike shop back in the day. Sold new in '98. Pretty cool retro piece. Thanks for watching.